Hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Just a minute to get completely ready yet.
Okay. Good afternoon. This is our team project, the spacecraft thermal power consumption. There are four. This is background. There are four parts about the energy. The first part is about converting energy. In the picture, you can see there are eight solar areas. So the solar energy will be converted to electronical energy through eight of them. The second part is about control energy. There are two kinds of control system. One is an internal control system. Another one is external control system. For internal thermal control system, you will use the water to transfer the heat inside the International Space Station to external. For the external thermal control system, he will use ammonia to cool the International Space Station. For stored energy, in order to maintain the electronic machine, the energy will be stored into the battery. Finally, is delivering energy. You can see there is a loop in the picture. There are lots of the machine will because the energy, the solar energy is about 160 voltage. With some machine will transfer the power from 160 voltage to 120 voltage. This is the challenge. You can see the power that the thermal subsystem will consume is connected to the heater and their behavior. But there are some effect factory like sun distance, solar aspect angles, and payload and status. So as a consequence, the current estimation of power assigned to the thermal subsystem as a constant merging. So for this challenge, we need to build an accurate model to thermal power consumption that will increase the spacecraft science return. The first, we do a modeling. There are some objective functions, and we also do a gradient and update the weight. Yeah. The second part, we collect a lot of data from International Space Station line. We consider 72 effect factories in this project, and we using 90 minutes to collect the data. Every minute we collect. Third part, we write some code algorithm to predict consumption with data input and pre-processing and training the data and do a prediction. The final step is justification, because we didn't have not enough data from the International Space Station. So we didn't have a corrected modeling, because we don't have a lot of enough data. So to be honest, we didn't have a good training data. Thank you.
need 90 minutes to collect the data. And
Yeah.
you want to do that every minute?
It means 9 minutes. Every minute we collect one.
And you do that for 90 minutes? Okay. So I didn't understand. I thought it was for one process was 90 minutes.
Yes. But another difficult is because we're using our computer, we need to 1 minute again, so it's difficult for us to collect the data ahead.
Any other question? Is the audience? No? One last for me. So you don't have access to previous database where they collect all the information?
Because we consider 72 effect factory,
Yeah.
so we collect the 72 data, different kind of data, 72. Thank you.